Welcome to 280 Wendemere Drive, where Waterfront provides fishing with its 4 bedrooms and 2 baths per home. This lovely home has smooth modified ceilings and laminated hardwood floors. There are granite counters in the kitchen and bathrooms. Also enjoy a dining room, foyer, and a split bedroom floor plan, with the bonus room as the 4th bedroom. The kitchen has stainless appliances, granite counters, white cabinets, and tile flooring. The great room has a double tray ceiling and a gas fireplace. The master bath has a walk-in shower, dual sinks, a large tub, and a private toilet room. This home also has a large back porch and a 2-car garage. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The dining room is located to the right of the foyer upon entering the home. It has hardwood floors, a smooth tray ceiling with crown molding, and measures 11 feet 8 inches by 11 feet 5. The open doorway leads to the kitchen. The great room has hardwood floors, a smooth double tray ceiling with crown molding, a ceiling fan, a fireplace, and measures 19 feet 3 inches by 14 feet 8. The eat-in area of the kitchen has tile floors, smooth ceilings with crown molding, and measures 10 feet 2 inches by 7 feet. The kitchen has beautiful granite counters, stainless appliances, white cabinets, a smooth ceiling with recessed lighting and crown molding, and measures 12 feet 8 inches by 10 feet 2. The kitchen has stainless appliances that include a range, microwave, and dishwasher. This view of the mud hall is from the dining and kitchen area. This view of the mud hall is from the kitchen. The mud hall leads to the master bedroom, the laundry closet, the 4th bedroom or bonus room, and the 2-car garage. The master bedroom is located off the mud hall. It has carpet, a smooth tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, a private master bath, a walk-in closet, and measures 15 feet 5 inches by 12 feet 10. The master bath has beautiful granite counters with dual sinks, tile floors, a separate tub and shower, a private toilet room, and smooth ceilings with crown molding,